Your comments regarding this international conference?
Thank you very much. Really, it's for us honorable to be here and to attend, participate at PTM Pakistan Travel Mart. And it's very important for us to participate and to represent our country, our tourism potential, and hope that our participation in this very high level event and important will give a big good results. So the aim of the participation, as we all know, that it's to attract more uh, tourists from Pakistan. The Pakistan is a very big market for us, and it's not far from Tajikistan. More than 240 million population in Pakistan, and about 20 million population just in Karachi. So it's a very attractive market for us.